Hello world, welcome to TechBlog, and you are viewing the Linux Server Administration series. In this video, we are going to install React.js on Ubuntu 22.04 LTS server. Well, React is a JavaScript library for building user interfaces. In this guide, you will get React up and running on an Ubuntu 22.04 server. After installation, you will start a new project to use as the basis for your site. So in order to do that, we follow the steps. First, install Vue utility package. Second, add Node repository. Third, install Node.js. Fourth, create React app utility. And finally, creating React app with utility. So guys, the first thing is first. Do update your package list. Open up a terminal and type in sudo apt update. After updating your package list, do install some necessary utility packages. So install the following dependencies required by this tutorial, like software properties common, CA certificates, LSB release, app transport, HTTPS, etc. Well, by default, Node.js version comes with Ubuntu 22.04 LTS as 12.22.9, but we want the latest version 16.15 at present. So, we need to add PPA sources, which required to be able to install Node.js 16 on your Ubuntu 22.04 LTS. Now add PPA repo of Node.js 16 by using following command. After adding repo, again update your package list to refresh your newly add repos. Well, now it's time to install Node.js into your system. So type in your terminal sudo apt install Node.js. It will take few moments to complete the installation. And here we go, we done. Now you can check the installed version by using command node -- version. As you see here, my version is 16.15. And my npm, Node Package Manager version, is 8.5. And npx version is also 8.5. Actually, npx is package runner. The basic difference between npm and npx is, in npx you can create a React app without installing the package in your local. The npx is useful during a single time use package. Okay, now create a directory for your new React app. Just mkdir in your directory name, and move to newly created directory, and it's blank now. Now install Create React App Utility tool for creating new application. Actually, you have to create your application through this utility tools. Okay, after installed the utility tools, I got a warning, and nothing serious. It says that new update available for my npm. Just ignore it, and go ahead. Well, now it's time to create your brand new React app. Just type command create React app, then your app name. In my case, I am given it my app. It will take some time to complete the installation process. Sit back and relax until complete the installation. Well, I am done, and as you see here, my app deployed successfully. And there are some instruction and command how to start, stop, build your development server, and shape your new project. You can check your new project file through file browser. Here all your application files are dumped. Well, now move to your app directory and start your development server through npm start command. Here you can see my development server is starting. And you can start developing your new React project through any code editor like VS Code or Sublime Text Editor and shape your project as you wish. So, guys, finally we deployed React.js in Ubuntu 22.04 LTS server. Hope this video is helpful to you. Do like and share this video, and hit on the subs button to get the latest update. Tech Blog is signed out. For now, see you again. Thank you.